In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your notification settings in HubSpot effectively. Managing your notifications helps maintain focus without getting distracted by unnecessary alerts, ensuring you're informed only about what truly matters to your work. Let's begin by diving into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar of the interface. Look for the settings icon. It's often represented by a small gear symbol and is usually found on the right side of the bar. Clicking on it will bring up your main settings menu, which serves as the hub for all your account customizations. With the settings menu open, take a look at the left sidebar. This is your main navigation tool within the settings, featuring various categories like general, marketing, sales, and reports. For today's task, navigate directly to the notifications section. This is where you have the power to personalize the way HubSpot alerts you about different activities. Notifications are crucial for staying updated without bombarding yourself with irrelevant information. Next, within the notifications menu, you'll notice several tabs. You'll want to click on the email tab. This area precisely outlines all the different types of email notifications you can receive. It's where you can tailor these notifications to suit your preferences, ensuring that you're catching the critical updates that are relevant to your activities and responsibilities. Now that you're in the email notification section, it's time to decide which activities you want email alerts for. Here, you'll find a list of all the potential activities HubSpot can notify you about. Activities like form submissions, email opens, and more. Each activity has a corresponding checkbox next to it. To activate email notifications for any specific activity, simply click the checkbox next to it. For instance, if form submissions are crucial for your follow-ups, make sure to enable notifications for that. If you find yourself needing notifications about almost every activity HubSpot offers, there's a convenient way to handle that without checking each box individually. At the top, there's an option labeled Turn on all topics. By selecting this, you enable email notifications for every available activity, ensuring you never miss an important update. This option is particularly useful for busy professionals or teams managing large volumes of interactions. And that's it. You've now successfully customized your HubSpot email notifications. By taking these simple steps, you can better manage your time, focus on the tasks that matter, and ensure you're always in the loop with important developments. Thank you for joining me today, and see you next time for more helpful tips on managing your HubSpot account.